How to track WorldRemit transfer. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically track a WorldRemit transfer, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe it is a cash pickup transfer, maybe it is a wire transfer, or maybe it is an international transfer, but the money has not been sent to the recipient's address and then you want to track the transfer. And to do this, it's very simple. Most of the times you basically have your order ID or the tracking ID with you that you can use to track your transfer or your transactions. But if that doesn't help, then what you can do is just go to worldremit.com and then make sure that you're signed into the account. Then if you look at the very top of the navigation menu, you have this little button labeled as My Transactions. This is exactly where you want to go to find out all of your current, progressing and pending transactions. Just click on it. Once you click the My Transactions option, you're going to land on this page where you'll be able to see all of your transfers in progress. Similarly, in here you'll be able to find the transactions and the processing transactions everywhere on WorldRemit right away. This way you can track your WorldRemit transactions. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.